Introducing a pilot onboarding process that brings together stay-home notice period with medical examination and orientation for newly arrived migrant workers, all under one roof. The Migrant Worker Onboarding Center, a one-stop center that offers an integrated and seamless end-to-end onboarding process for all construction, marine, and process sector work permit and S-Pass holders. The journey of a newly arrived worker can be segmented into 3 zones: green, blue, and white zones. First, the green zone, where upstream precautionary efforts are taken in the workers' source countries. Workers must clear pre-departure PCR tests before they can leave their home countries, with tests taken 72 hours before they depart for Singapore. This helps minimize the risk of imported cases and allows more workers to enter our country. Second, the blue zone. This refers to the on-arrival tests, stay-home notice, additional testing regime, and residential onboarding programs that the migrant workers will go through when they arrive. These workers will first be quarantined for 4 days at a stay-home notice dedicated facility. This is where they undergo both on-arrival serology and PCR tests. Based on the test results, workers will then be notified on the course they need to take, be it medical treatment if tested positive for COVID-19, an immediate 3-day residential onboarding program for recovered workers, or continue the 14-day stay-home notice and additional 7-day testing regime for COVID-negative workers as an additional precaution. Beyond integrating the various entry processes, the MWOC also brings workers through a comprehensive onboarding process with 2 key components. The enhanced medical examination enables early identification of health risks, a measure that provides appropriate health support for workers and helps employers reduce work disruptions and unexpected medical costs from untreated health conditions. The residential settling-in program, on the other hand, inculcates better dormitory living and worksite practices. This is where workers will learn about their employment rights, how to maintain mental and physical well-being, infection prevention and control measures, good dormitory living and worksite practices, and learn more about Singapore's social norms. And all of this will happen in one place before the workers leave the MWOC. Finally, the workers enter the white zone, where they move into their residences, start work, and live safely in our community. MWOC reduces the risk of COVID-19 transmission from imported cases through its streamlined processes, enables the entry of migrant workers to support our businesses, and offers more convenience to employers. While workers will be able to start their employment in Singapore on the right footing and are safeguarded for their health and safety. MWOC, helping us meet the demands of our economy by ensuring renewed inflows of migrant workers and protecting our community from COVID-19 transmission.